Hi everyone, this is Xueying from Web3 Labs, and today I'd like to show you Serato Substrate Explorer, which is a contracts explorer focused on WAS smart contracts running on Substrate networks that implement the contracts palette. And here we are on the homepage of the Explorer, and we can see that we are looking at contracts on the Rococo contracts network. Here on the left panel, we have the latest contract-related activities, which could be a code store, a contracts call, an instantiate, or even a terminate. And on the other panel, we have the latest contracts that are being deployed on the network. Here we can see the contract that has been deployed, by who, and where is the code hash. Here we have the menu that allows us to navigate into different sections. For example, we can see here the list of activities that you can filter and sort by newest or oldest. And we can filter, for example, we want to see all contracts instantiated in November until today. And we can apply the filter to see the November contracts. And here we have all of them. And of course, we also have the search that you can use to search for contracts or accounts. And here we see for this contract that it is created on the 22nd of November by this account. And here's the code hash where the bytecode is stored. We also have a bit more of additional information on the creation. And here we have the list of all the activities related with this particular contract, where you can filter and sort as well. You can also expand on activities to see more information. And in the other tab, we have all the events that has been emitted by this contract. And here we can navigate to the code hash of the contract. We can see that for this code hash, there are many instances of the same code hash. We can also see here the source code. So this is a new feature that we've recently implemented for verification of the source code. We can see here that there was an attempt at a verification of the contract that didn't succeed. That's okay, you can always try again to upload your source code. And we also offer a hex view of the bytecode. And then we can also take a look at one code hash that has been verified. In this case, is the incrementer, the example incrementer contract by parity. We can see the build information of the contract, the metadata of the contract, and of course, all the source code files related to this contract. And from here, we can also check out the accounts of the owner of this code hash, and we can see all the activities of this account. So it has many calls and instantiations, all the contracts owned by this account, and as well all the code hashes owned by the account. And here we have the balance of the account, and we can copy the address if you want to search in other tools or even here in this Explorer, not a problem. And here we can see all the list of accounts that can filter by the balance or by the newest account created. And that's an overview of the Explorer. I hope you like it. Thank you for listening.